Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to guide you through setting up ZIVPN using a UDP tunnel and integrating it with UDP Custom for enhanced connectivity. This tutorial will walk you through each step, ensuring you have a secure and efficient VPN connection. Let's get started. Overview: enhance your connection with ZIVPN and UDP Custom. In this tutorial, we will combine the functionalities of ZIVPN and UDP Custom to create a robust VPN connection. We'll start by installing both apps, setting up ZIVPN for UDP tunneling, obtaining server information from UDP Custom, configuring ZIVPN with that information, and finally, connecting to the VPN. This method can improve connection stability, especially in challenging network environments. Step 1. Install ZIVPN. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for ZIVPN or ZIVPN, as it might appear. Tap Install to download and install the app. Step 2. Launch ZIVPN. Once installed, open the ZIVPN app. Step 3. Enable UDP option in the ZIVPN app. Tick the UDP option. This is essential for establishing the UDP tunnel. Step 4. Access UDP tunnel settings. Tap the 3 lines icon in the app's interface to open the menu. Select UDP tunnel settings from the menu options. Although you won't configure anything here yet, this step ensures the app is ready to use UDP tunneling when we provide the details later. Step 5. Install UDP Custom. Go back to the Google Play Store. Search for UDP Custom. Tap Install to download and install the UDP Custom app. Step 6. Launch UDP Custom. Once installed, open the UDP Custom app. Step 7. Select ZIVPN UDP servers in UDP Custom. Scroll down until you find and select ZIVPN UDP servers. This section provides servers specifically designed for use with ZIVPN. Step 8. Choose a server. Choose any available server from the list. The best server will depend on your location and network conditions. Step 9. Copy full configuration. Tap Copy full config. This will copy all the necessary configuration details to your clipboard. Step 10. Open a Notes app. Open any Notes app on your device, e.g., Google Keep, Samsung Notes, or a simple text editor. Step 11. Paste configuration. Paste the copied configuration into the Notes app. This allows you to easily access the server IP and password. Step 12. Copy server IP from the pasted configuration in your Notes app. Locate and copy the host or server IP address. This is the IP address of the UDP server you'll be connecting to. Step 13. Open ZIVPN. Go back to the ZIVPN app. Step 14. Paste server IP. Paste the server IP you copied from the Notes app into the UDP server field in ZIVPN. Step 15. Copy password. Return to the Notes app and copy the password from the pasted configuration. Step 16. Paste password. Go back to ZIVPN and paste the password into the corresponding field in the app. Step 17. Apply settings. Tap Apply to save the settings you've entered. Step 18. Connect to the VPN. Tap Start to initiate the VPN connection. Verification. Wait for ZIVPN to establish the connection. Once connected, your internet traffic will be tunneled through the UDP server, providing a more secure and stable connection. And that's it. You've successfully set up ZIVPN with a UDP tunnel using information from UDP Custom. This configuration can help improve your VPN connection's reliability and performance. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and join our Telegram and WhatsApp communities. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.